There's some more crazy, weird mushrooms. What in the aliens in South Dakota is going on here, Batman? Those are weird. Like, can't really see the bottom of them. They're so low to the ground. They look like they have eggs in them. What is that? Okay. Whoops, they're there. Okay. Look at that. Weird mushroom. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but let's get some sun in here so maybe it'll die off. I have a lot of stuff growing in this flower bed, but wow. That's how moist and humid and weird June has been. This whole month has kind of been weird. That's crazy. What kind of mushroom is that?